Okay, so I know that this assignment is a little bit confusing, so I am going to walk you through how to animate stuff on Keynote. So all I did for all of these, they are circle shapes, and then I changed, instead of changing the color of the circle, I imported an image into each circle. It's really not as hard as that sounds, but what you do to animate is you click on it once. So I clicked on the first one. And then you click animate, which is on the farthest right where it says comment, link, animate. You click animate. And then you want to add an action. A build-in will bring it from nothing to the screen. It's already there, so you want to add an animation, not a build-in, add an action. And then you're going to want to create a path. That is the first one on the bottom. And the really cool thing about this is you get to draw where you want it to go. And you can draw it off the slide. And then it gives you a little bit of a preview of it. So then you click done. And then you click your path, and you can make it go as slow or as fast as you want. And I want you to think about, because it's the closest to the sun, it will rotate the fastest, okay? So it's going to go the fastest around the sun compared to all the other planets. So the planet furthest from the sun, you're going to want to take the longest amount of seconds to go by. And where it says start, you want it to be after build 1, okay? So then you're going to do the same thing for your second. You click it, add an action, create a path, and I'm just going to draw a nice, I'm struggling. And see, I don't like that. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. Clear. And then I'm going to try it again. Okay. So then you won't see it off the screen. So I'm going to click done, tap it, and I'm going to make it take 2 seconds. And then it's going to start after build 2. Okay? So now just to preview, you click play. Here is where you're going to animate the planets to orbit around the sun at different rivers and civilizations. So, because I have a sound on this slide giving you instructions, you can delete that if you understand what you're doing. Then when you're done animating all of them, you can copy this whole slide. So you take where it says 44 on the left side where you can see all the slides, you press it, and then you click copy. And then you're going to go to presentations. You're going to click a new one, anything. Then you just click over here. And you're going to click, no, not that one. Let's delete that one. Blank. Maybe I didn't copy it from the last one. Let me go back. See, you're going to learn that Miss Wernicke struggles constantly. Copy. Copy. Okay. So you saw it. You saw me do that. Presentations. Oops, wrong one. See, you're seeing the real life Miss Wernicke struggle. Paste. So then you would just delete all the other slides that you have for this presentation that it came with. And then you would export it, the 3 dots, export, and you can export it as a movie and it'll play all on its own and they will all rotate as a movie. Or you can do a GIF, an animated GIF, or GIF if that's how you pronounce it. And it's really cool. And then it's something you can save and you can put in future presentations about the solar system. So that's just how to do that assignment. I hope that helps. This first slide, you don't have to do anything with. It's just to show you. And then the second slide is where you do it. And then you can click the text box, delete it, click the sound, delete it when you're done. And then they won't export with your copied slide, if that makes sense.